Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Galipelli. I belong to Karimnagar Telangana. I did my graduation in Electrical and Electronics Engineering in the year of 2022 at Sree Chaitanya College of Engineering. And after my graduation, I am actively applying for a jobs in Naukri. And one of my friends suggested about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. And after taking full knowledge and details about Evision, I joined in full day job internship program at Evision. And in Evision, I learned the technologies like virtualization, CCNA, networking, ITIL, and also Windows administration. And all these technologies, not only theoretical and also practical, I have done. And with the help of the Evision, I got placed in IBM as a desktop support engineer with good package. And I want to thank all the trainers in the Evision Technoserve. And especially I want to thank Apurva Saha sir. And he is not only explained theoretically and also practically he explained with good patience. And also I want to thank Deepthi ma'am and Priya ma'am. They clear all doubts. So thank you Evision.